Hello my dear student, I hope you are doing well. Today inshallah we are going to talk about teaching handwriting, okay? This lecture is specifically for preliminary stages. Let us have a start. First of all, we have to notice that there are specific things about writing or handwriting. So the first notice that, remember, your handwriting is unique to you. So it is something special. It is not should be as a printer, okay? So it is something unique. It reflects your personality, your art. The second notice, it is part of your personality. Make it your own preliminaries, okay? As we mentioned. The third notice, there are 44 sounds in English and 26 letters. This notice actually the teacher and the student have to know before starting learning and teaching handwriting, okay? Handwriting scheme, letter join, that means how we draw the letters and how we join them together, okay? All letters start on the line and all letters have an in stroke and an out stroke, okay? And now we have to know why we should teach handwriting, okay? Or why we have to learn handwriting. Actually, students need a legible, fluent style of handwriting to fully participate in writing. The second reason that handwriting fluency predicts how much and how well children write. The third reason, attention to motor skills trains student processing capacity that could be used for higher order skills, such as keeping up with own thoughts, planning, context generation, revisions, and so on. The fourth reason, over time children may minimize the writing process, avoid writing, or believe they cannot write. The fifth reason, that handwriting accounts for how writing is evaluated. And the sixth reason, that note-taking and adult use are still necessary. The goals of teaching handwriting. The first goal, automatically no need to use working memory to draw the letters, okay? The second goal, that speed and rhythmic higher order skills, fluency of writing, fluency of thoughts. As much as you have fluency in writing letters, you have the same fluency in drawing your thoughts on paper, okay? In my opinion, this goal is very important because you cannot draw a plan for your research, maybe for your day or for anything without fluency of writing. So it is a good and main goal actually for you and your student. And the third and the last goal is that legibility, communication, letter formation, letter spacing, letter alignment, and letter size and letter slant and word spacing. Actually, all of these skills should be taught alone and carefully. The aims of teaching handwriting. In primary schools, the aim of teaching handwriting is to teach each child how to write legibly, fluently, without strain, and with sufficient speed, as we mentioned in the previous slides. Sequences of instruction. The main stages in teaching children handwriting at primary schools are teaching grip, letter shape and movements, teaching ligatures, and increasing speed and endurance without loss of quality. There are general considerations in teaching handwriting. The first one, individuality in children's writing as a consequence of children's different abilities and development. It is inevitable that there will be variance in the letters they form. So teachers need to recognize and accept that in handwriting. As we mentioned, the handwriting represents your personality, your art, your hand movement. So the teacher have to accept all the diversity and the different of font of the student. Okay, there is no type writing. They are human, and human different from each one to each another. Okay, so we have to accept this difference. The second one, practice physical skills can be fixed and refined through regular brief periods of practice. Children should be individually supervised and given immediate feedback when practicing handwriting. Actually, this depends on the parents, actually, more than the teacher. So if the teacher discover a problem with the physical skills of the student, he has to communicate with his parents and provide them with more exercises. Okay, so this should be noticed alone, not in general. The third consideration, that the teacher's style, it is essential that teachers learn the basic scripts and the cursive style so that the samples of writing children see on whiteboard will provide them with good models. Actually, this make the teacher consist or admit the right movement of drawing of the letters. Okay, when it should be start, when it should be end. So this will be the right model for the student. The fourth consideration, that good poster should be positively emphasized when the children are writing. If there is any children draw the letters very good, I have to raise it up and show there is a good student who draw a good letter, and so on. Number 5, paper positioning. Children should be encouraged to keep their papers well up on the desk to enable much of the forearm to rest on the table. Such a position helps them to control the fine motor movement in writing. So they have to set well in the setting of learning handwrite. Okay, they should be set freely as they want. Okay, with their rest should be rested. Okay. 6, holding a pencil. Children should hold the pencil between the thumb and forefinger with the middle finger supporting the pencil from below. This makes a 3-point grip. And this was all about handwriting. My duty as a professor in the college or in the university, I have to learn my teacher students how to learn their student handwriting, not writing. Okay, teaching writing, this related to the text of academic writing. If you have any question about writing or academic writing, you can see your academic writing professor or text. And if you have any question about handwriting and teaching handwriting, please don't hesitate, leave a comment. I hope you get benefit. And thanks for your time, thanks for your listening, and have a good day.